Hello everyone. In previous video, we had discussed about the first in first out least recently used, and this is the third algorithm that is least frequently used, or it is also called as a optimal replacement algorithm. So in this optimal replacement algorithm, we are seeking about the forthcoming pages. In previous two algorithms, just by seeing the previous preceded pages, we have taken the decision that the operating system will be taking the decision to replace which of the page as well as frame. So in this algorithm, pages are replaced which would not be used for the longest duration of the time in the future. That is, in future, which of the page is not used for a long time, that will be replaced with the current page when there is a page fault. So just here we have one of the example. I'll remove all these and I'll show how the working process of this algorithm it will be taken here. Let me remove all the values. Okay. So in this we have a 4 frames and given string. It is taken in the first row. So first frame it is empty. It has to start with the execution with the first page here. It will take first one, and here it is 2. 1 and 2 page it will be taking. And here 1, 2 as well as 3 pages it will take. And next one, here it will be taking 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now all the frames are filled with the different pages. Then next we need once again one here, that one which is already available in the main memory, no page fault. Then we have to go to the next one, that is a 2. 2 which is already available in the main memory, no page fault. Then move to the next one, 5. So 5 it is not there in the list of the main memory. In frames it is not found here. Then which of the page should be replaced here? Which of the page it is replaced with the page number 5. So here we have according to this, least frequently used, which is not used for a long time, that should be replaced. Then now we have to seek in these values 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Among these 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the last used, that is the 4. 4 should be replaced with the 5 here. So we have to replace 4 with the 5 and remaining 3, 2 as well as 1. Then next, come to the next required page, that is a 1, which is already available, no replacement. Then come to the next one, 2, which is already available, no page fault. 3, which is already available, no page fault at all. Then next we have to come to the 4. So 4 it is not there in the main memory. Then we have to replace one of the page here. So in order to replace, once again, we have to see which is not been used for a long time. So here in this 5 it is used next to the 4, and rest of all the pages are not being used. Any of the page you can replace here, excluding 5. So 5 cannot be replaced with the 4. So any of this we can replace. If it is not given by default, we have a first come, first serve only it will comes. So we have to replace 1 with a 4 here, and remaining 2, 3 it will comes. And then here we have a 5 will be replaced with the 4. Sorry, 5 it will be remaining as it is. Then next we have a 5. 5 means there is no, 1 second. So here we have a 1, it is replaced with the 4, and this one it is a 5. Okay. Next one required page is the 5 which is already available in the list in the main memory. So no page replacement, no page fault for this one. So this is how it will be seeking the values, the page numbers which are not being used in the future, that which is used after a long time, otherwise not being used, that will be replacing with a new required page. This is what least frequently used here. And number of page faults for this one is 6. Here it is the page fault 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total number of the page faults are the 6. So when we'll compare all the three algorithms, in this we have a same example only it is taken in three algorithms. In this it is the 6 page fault, and then in the previous algorithm page fault will be 8, least recently used. And previous one first in first out it will be taking 10. So among all these, which one it is the optimal algorithm? Efficient algorithm means last one, that is the optimal replacement, because in which we have a number of page faults are less, there the efficiency of the execution it will be increasing. That is, required pages for the execution are in the main memory only. So execution speed will be more comparing to that of the where there is a more number of page faults. That's what optimal page replacement. It is one of the efficient algorithm among all these. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching.